Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Well-Pot Eggs. I'm Tony. Today's 13th of December 2024. Let's take a look at Ethereum's price. Ethereum is currently trading at around 3,900, knocking right on the door of $4,000 mark. This level has historically acted as a strong resistance zone. If Ethereum managed to close decisively above 4,000, we could be looking at a clear path to significant rally, with price target pointing toward 5,000 and beyond. There's a couple of reasons why I think this is our last chance to buy Ethereum under $4,000. First, increasing institutional interest. Major financial institutions are turning their attention toward Ethereum. In the last 3 days, the spot Ether ETF recorded net inflow of $557 million. Number 2. Ethereum's blockchain continued to improve, with advancement in scalability and gas fee reduction, making it more appealing for developers and users. 3. With Bitcoin's recent surge, the whole crypto market is experiencing a bullish wave. Ethereum tends to follow Bitcoin's lead, meaning that Ether could benefit from a continued BTC rally. With Ethereum holding steadily just below $4,000, this could be the final opportunity to accumulate before it finally takes off. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin versus gold. It's a rivalry for the modern age. Both are seen as stores of value, but how do they really stack up against each other? In terms of market capitalization, gold still dominates with a massive 11.7 trillion valuation compared to Bitcoin's 1.05 trillion. However, Bitcoin is quickly catching up, now representing about 9% of gold's total value. This leaves significant room for growth if Bitcoin adoption continues to rise. When it comes to performance, Bitcoin has delivered staggering return in recent years. In 2023 alone, Bitcoin surged by 156%, while gold returned a respectable 25%. If growth potential is your priority, Bitcoin clearly holds the edge. However, volatility is a key differentiator. Bitcoin's price swings are legendary, offering a potential for massive gain, but also sharp losses. In contrast, gold remained a steadier asset, providing a more stable hedge during uncertain times. The environmental impact of both assets is another factor to consider. Bitcoin mining consumes a lot of energy, raising concern about carbon footprint. Gold mining, while still environmentally impactful, has established methods to mitigate its ecological damage. Whether you favor the digital revolution of Bitcoin or the timeless security of gold, both assets can play valuable roles in a diversified portfolio. The right choice depends on your risk tolerance, investment goal, and whether you believe in technology or tradition. Now let's take a look at today's crypto news. First, we've got BlackRock recommending 1 to 2% Bitcoin allocation in portfolios. BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm with over 9 trillion assets, recently suggested that their investors should consider allocating 1 to 2% of their portfolio to Bitcoin. Well, this is a huge endorsement from the titan of traditional finance. BlackRock's recommendation signals legitimacy for Bitcoin. As institutional investors begin to embrace Bitcoin, the narrative shifts from Bitcoin being a speculative gamble to a legitimate portfolio diversifier. 1 to 2% allocation is considered a balanced way to gain exposure to BTC's growth without risking too much. Even if Bitcoin faced volatility, this modest percentage wouldn't devastate a portfolio. When firms like BlackRock speaks, others listen. This recommendation could pave the way for more conservative investors to finally take the plunge into Bitcoin. The second piece of news of today. Ukraine plans crypto legalization by 2025 with no tax breaks. Ukraine is making strides toward crypto legalization by 2025. The country's government aims to integrate crypto into its economy, allowing legal use for trading, payment, and investments. The idea is that the government wants to ensure crypto generate consistent tax revenue to support public services. There's no tax breaks for traders or investors. With more and more countries legalize crypto, others might follow. However, a lack of tax breaks could discourage some investor or businesses from fully embracing the sector. Well, that's a wrap for today's episode of Well-Pot Eggs. Focus is greater than time, and time is greater than money. Are you focusing on the right things today? Stay invested. I'll see you in the next one.